In this video, I'll show you how to clear your Chrome history on an iPhone. First, open the Chrome app on your iPhone, tap the three dots in the bottom right. From this menu, you can scroll down and press Delete Browsing Data. In this pop-up, you can choose the time range you want to delete, so you can do last 24 hours or everything. Do last 24 hours. I'll tap Browsing Data. Make sure Browsing History is selected at the top. You can also choose other options like cookies, site data, cached images, saved passwords, but only select those if you actually want to remove them. And tap Confirm, then tap Delete Data. Chrome will clear the selected browsing history from your iPhone. You can also clear it if you press the three dots, click on History, and it gives you the same options as before. And that's it. You now cleared your Chrome history on an iPhone. Just remember though, if your Chrome is signed into your Google account, deleting history may also remove it from any other devices where sync is turned on. Hope that helps.